The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has just launched with a lot of attention around its advanced features, but quietly in the background, another DJI drone is starting to make its way into the conversation, the DJI Air 4. Thanks to a recent leak involving a crashed prototype, we now have a first look at what DJI might be planning next for its Air series. Let's go over what was spotted, what might be changing, and what this means for DJI's mid-range lineup. The leak comes from Jasper Ellens, who's been a consistent source of reliable DJI information. This time, he shared an image of a drone believed to be the Air 4, found in a damaged state, but still revealing quite a bit. One of the first things to notice is that it shares some similarities with the design of the Mavic 4 Pro, especially around the sensor layout. On top of the drone, we see two front-facing sensors and a central LED light. This layout is new for the Air series and matches closely with the sensor placement used in the Mavic 4. It suggests that DJI is moving toward a more standardized design across its drone families. Perhaps the most notable change is in the front of the drone. Instead of the corner-mounted wide-angle sensors we've seen in previous models like the Air 3S, the Air 4 prototype seems to include a new front sensor array. There's speculation that this might be an updated LiDAR system. LiDAR is generally more effective in low light and in environments where visual sensors can struggle. If DJI is planning to add even a simplified version of LiDAR to the Air series, that could improve obstacle detection without significantly raising the price. Still, this is based on visual clues, so it's not confirmed yet. The arms on this prototype also look noticeably thicker than those on the Air 3S. That could indicate a move toward better structural stability or improved resistance to wind. It's also possible that the thicker design allows for different internal components, like a larger battery or improved motors. However, it's important to remember that this is just a prototype. DJI often tests multiple versions before settling on a final design, so what we're seeing now might change before release. These changes, from the sensor layout to the sturdier build, seem to show DJI bringing the Air series closer in line with the Mavic series. This doesn't mean the Air 4 is replacing the Mavic line, but it does suggest DJI wants to offer more consistent performance and features across its products. That could be a good thing for buyers who don't need everything the Mavic 4 Pro offers, but still want improved flight safety, better image quality, or stronger hardware than what the Air 3S provided. The prototype image doesn't give us a clear look at the camera module, so there's no confirmed information about possible camera upgrades. Some online speculation has mentioned the potential for 6K video, a mechanical shutter, or improved low-light performance, but as of now, those are just guesses. There's also no concrete information about flight time or software features. Given how DJI has been improving in these areas, it's reasonable to expect small gains, but nothing is confirmed. According to Ellens, the Air 4 is still in early stages and isn't expected to be released anytime soon. A launch in late 2025, possibly toward the end of the year, seems most likely if development continues smoothly. As for pricing, it's hard to say. The Air 3 launched at around $1,099, and with possible hardware improvements, the Air 4 might come in between $1,199 and $1,299. That would still keep it below the Mavic 4 Pro's range while offering some of its core benefits. The leaked Air 4 prototype doesn't tell us everything, but it does offer a meaningful look at how DJI is shaping its next mid-range drone. A cleaner sensor layout, sturdier build, and a possible shift in obstacle detection tech all point to a more capable and refined Air series model. If you're using an Air 3 or earlier, it's still too early to think about an upgrade, but it's clear that DJI is working on something that could bring noticeable improvements without jumping into full flagship pricing. Let us know what you think about the leak changes and whether you'd consider the Air 4 based on what's been shown so far.